Welcome to Tools Met. Today, we are going to explore one of the most powerful and advanced machines in modern manufacturing, the CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. A CNC machine uses computer programming to control cutting tools with extreme accuracy. Unlike traditional machines, CNC machines work automatically, reducing human error and increasing productivity. CNC machines are widely used in woodworking, metal cutting, plastic shaping, and industrial manufacturing. They can perform multiple operations such as cutting, drilling, carving, engraving, and shaping with smooth and precise results. The main parts of a CNC machine include the controller, spindle, motors, drive system, work table, and cutting tools. The design is first created using CAD software, then converted into machine-readable code called G-code. This code tells the machine exactly how to move, cut, and shape the material. One of the biggest advantages of CNC machines is high precision and repeatability. Once programmed, the machine can produce identical parts again and again with perfect accuracy. This makes CNC machines ideal for mass production and professional workshops. CNC machines also save time and material, reduce labor costs, and improve overall efficiency. However, they require proper setup, skilled programming, and regular maintenance to perform at their best.